marks the start of match number 22. Robots quickly move to the center of the field to collect more game pieces as Oyster River Overdrive tries to get an auto balance, along with 8708 and Mechanical Advantage over on the red side. Moving into teleop, it looks like we have a score of 36 to 37 in favor of the Red Alliance, but it's a very close match so far. Overly Complex and Wyndham Windup are scoring over on the red side as the Wired Boars score a cone over on the blue side. Stipulse takes their cone and lines up to perfectly place that in the top row. Amazing job. 7407 and the Oyster River Overdrive collect game pieces from their loading area before moving over to the other side of the field. Wyndham Windup scores again with another cone in that mid-level, and Mechanical Advantage follows suit with the cube in the highest level. With 90 seconds left on the clock, the scores are neck and neck. There seems to be a bit of a tangle in the middle of the field, but they're able to escape. Overly Complex takes their cube and heads towards their community to score. Wyndham Windup lines up and scores another cone on that mid-level. Currently, both the alliances making their total number of links on the red side up to 3. Mechanical Advantage appears to tip over, but are able to right themselves. Amazing job. And now they quickly return to collecting more cones and scoring them for their alliance. Stipulse heads back to their community with a cone in hand to place it and earn even more points for their team. The scores are still close with 107 to 103 in favor of that blue alliance. The Wired Boars head back to their community with a cube as endgame hits. 8410 is close to the BC dot in the center of the field. We'll see if they take it for themselves, although it seems that Overly Complex wants it for themselves. Robots are still scoring their last piece, but are rushing back to their community. It looks like the Wired Boars and Stipulse might try to climb together, along with Mechanical Advantage for the red. That's the end of the match. We'll be back in a minute with the scores. we have the scores. The winner is the Red Alliance with a score of 165 to 139. The Red Alliance will be moving on to match 27, and the Blue Alliance will be moving on to match 26.